How to create Gmail account without phone number. So if you want to go ahead and create a Gmail account without any phone number, let me tell you how you're going to do it, okay? So first of all, we're obviously going to go ahead and click on add another account and actually go ahead and create an account for ourselves. So I'm going to click on use another account. I'm going to click on create an account for myself. Now, once you do that, obviously choose your first name and everything, okay? You're going to go with that, then click on next. You're going to choose your date of birth, obviously necessary things that you are going to need to go with. So I'm just going to add mine. There we go. Then you have your gender. Go with that. Now, once you go with that, here it's going to ask you your username. So I'm just going to add something random. Now, once you've added that, click on enter. Then it's going to ask you your password. So I'm just going to go ahead and add that real quick. You're going to add your password and then you're obviously going to confirm it. So make sure it's the same password that you've added up there. There we go. Finally, click on next. And it says if you want to add a recovery email address, skip that. Then it's going to ask you to add a phone number. Just simply skip. And once you skip that, click on next. Go ahead, click on I agree. And that's about it. So that creates your Gmail account without your phone number. Thank you for watching and I'll see all of you in the next video. Goodbye.